Well guys, I got a good one now I think you guys are going to want to watch. This one is on this awesome little radio. I got it recently as a parts radio, fairly cheap. A Grundig Satillite 750. It needs some repair. The person that owned this is a good friend of mine actually. Mr. Aaron, VO1FOX, owned this radio, and the radio had a few issues and whatnot, so it's got a few little bits and pieces missing here or there, but we're going to see if we can resurrect a Grundig Satellite 750. Looking at a few of the reviews online about the 750. When these guys were new, they were like 250, 300 bucks, and I'm pretty sure they were upwards around 400 when they were new. I got a video of one guy, a friend of mine, Alyssa. She's also on YouTube, and went to the source, or at the time, and bought this one. I've done a video on it. I'm not sure if I still got it or not, but that was actually on the Grundig Satellite 750. One like this one. But this particular model radio, we're going to see if we can't repair it, and some of the little minor problems that it has that I noticed, and I was made aware of it before I bought it. We've got a couple jacks missing here, line out jacks. I believe these were RCA. Then we have the power jack on the side of the radio here. It has also been removed, but that's only minor stuff. But for the most part, other than the battery door in the back missing, the radio is pretty much in complete condition. So for the next few videos, or next video, or maybe in this video, we're going to see if we can't repair the Grundig Satellite 750 and make her run the bands once more. Nice little radio, and like to give her a second life. If you guys want to see this Grundig 750 have a second life, let's see those thumbs. Let's see those thumbs up. Let's smash that like button down there, and give a like to the great shortwave brand name Grundig. Anyways, hope you enjoy the videos, folks. Reno 63. Let's get her done. Alright, so we're looking at the inside of the 750. As you can tell, the power input jack is missing. There's supposed to be two jacks here, but kind of looks like there's a circuit board missing here. Yeah, kind of think there might be a circuit board or two missing here. Not sure, but this is audio. I'm assuming this went to a circuit board that was plugged in here, or over here maybe plugged in. Not sure. It looks kind of like there might have been, at one point, they were going to put looks like at one point they were planning on putting a built-in power supply in this radio. Either it's missing or it was never installed. I'll go with it was never installed, because I think these things always went on the jack on the side, I think. These wires were connected here. I disconnected them because I got to splice into these to bring them back to a DC jack on the side that I'm going to install here. Pretty sure these are just audio out, so I'm not going to worry at all about that. I'm just going to ignore it, because if there was a board, it's completely missing. Apparently the radio still works as it is, so I guess I don't really need to worry about it. But, yeah. Let's put a DC jack in the side of the radio here and reconnect up some wiring here. Anyways, again, this is the Grundig Satillite 750.
Purchased machinery where the original cost was sometimes inflated up to 10 times. Mr. Wombracek travelled to the Vatican together with his Slovak counterpart, Andrej Danko, on the anniversary of the death of St. Cyril, one of the two missionaries that brought Christianity to the Slavs. The Pope and Mr. Wombracek discussed a treaty between the Czech Republic and the Vatican, which, among other things, set out the position of the Catholic Church within the Czech Republic. Mr. Wombracek also took the opportunity to invite the head of the Catholic Church to visit the Czech Republic. And in weather, Saturday is expected to be sunny, with temperatures across the country lying between 18 to 21 degrees, with only the west of Bohemia seeing perhaps a few clouds. My name is Tom McEntroe, and that is all the news for now.
Hi there, this is Radio Prague with me, Ian Willoughby. Today, an environmentalist says the Czech Republic is sending billions of plastic particles to Germany and the North Sea every single day. Czech bird watchers say the first storks have arrived early this year. We found out why. And later, the changing environment also means that Czechs have been forced to stop taking water for granted. That's all coming up in today's program. On the eve of World Water Day, which falls today, March 22nd, the Czech branch of Greenpeace published an alarming report on the presence of microplastics in Czech rivers.
Hey folks, so I just managed to, before she was powered up off the battery terminals on back springs. So, like I say, the DC plug was missing from this side. So what I actually came up with, built a little circuit inside that I can run 12 volts into here, and I've got a 6 volt regulator installed on a circuit board heatsink inside the cabinet. And this little plug that I've got here is a little two pin plug with a dust cap, like so. It's matching one there. Pushes her in. Put her in like that. Locks her in. She's on. That's it. The radio's pretty much working there now. The RCA jacks on the back, I never bothered to install them. I don't think I'll be using that stuff, to be honest with you. But yeah, that's the Grundig Satillite 750. I've seen them, you know, when it was for sale new, but that's the first time I actually got up close and personal with a Satellite 750. Interesting on the radio, I have to say. Got the plastic handle there. She can go internal or external antennas. It's nifty. So you got RF gain here, squelch here, BFO. You've got your bass, treble, volume, your bandwidth, SSB, FM stereo, delete. You get your light here, so basically if you were listening to your radio and this is one frequency, yeah, that's shortwave, you know. It's 14220, and as she sits there now, the light goes off. I don't know if it's documented or not. I haven't looked at the manual yet. But if you hold the light button, she'll flick at you, and the light will stay on. One nice thing I'd like to see, which I never had, was a backlit display. If she had a backlit display, she'd look awesome nighttime. I'll turn off the light here. So you can see the. I'll turn off the light and the camera, just so you can. Right now, if you're using her nighttime, this here is all you'll see. There's it. So I'll turn the light back on. Yeah. Turn the main bar. So yeah, it's a nice little radio. I like this little add-on I got here. It works fine. And yeah, I think it's a neat little radio myself. Anyways, just thought I'd show you this little quick repair. Easy, got her cheap, and thank you, Aaron, for offering it for what you did. Appreciate it. Nice little radio, gotta say. Anyways, I'm out of here, folks. 73, 63, out.
Back to you and nice to meet you. Victor Oscar 1X Nintendo, Delta Lima 3 Alpha Oscar.
Yeah, very good, Ralph. Thanks for picking up my call. We've spoken before, back in 2010 and 2014, and twice in 2010. We've got you on 17, 15, and 20. So that's quite good. Good to get you in 2019. My name is Dave, and located in Newfoundland. Your 5.9 copy was QSB, but Q5 copy very good here this morning. Local time heading for 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Thanks again for picking us up. Running about 100 watts. Hex beam about 15 meters up. DL3AO VO1XT over. Yeah, sorry, the name is Dave, Delta Alpha Victor Echo.
Excellent. VO1XT, DL3AO, fine, Dave. And so nice to meet you again. And I understand we had many QSOs in the past. Well, I just still am using a paper lock, so not that easy to find out, Dave. Oh, well, today is the day in which I have my hand radio call for 17 years. It's now exactly to the day. 17 years since I got my call. That was on March 23 in 1949. So, no wonder we had QSOs in the past, Dave. I always have been quite active in those years. Find 100 watts in the X-speed. I'm using here about 400 watts, and the antenna is a single element quad, just low. So, very nice weather here today. A beautiful spring day. Sunny, bright sunshine, and temperature about 20 degrees in the afternoon. Back to you, Dave. We are 1XT, DL3AO.
Yeah, okay, very good, Ralph. Very nice to hear that you've had activity for 70 years. Wow, congratulations. I've been active for approximately 24 years. It's coming up to 24 years this coming May. So I've got a long way to go to catch up, Ralph. Can I ask your age, Ralph? DL3AO, VO1XT, over.
afternoon, and good morning to you.
Okay, Rob, 73, and very nice to bump into you again. Hopefully we can do it again soon. DL3AO, VO1XT is clear. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye, Dave. Thank you.
73.